Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Who called the introduction identity card of Indian Constitution? Your right answer is N.A. Palkhiwala. Option D is your correct answer. The first municipal corporation in India was established in India. Your right answer is Madras. Option A is your correct answer. Kilimanjaro is situated in which continent? Your right answer is Africa. Option B is your correct answer. Which type of rainfall is also known as atmospheric rainfall in the following? Your right answer is cyclonic rainfall. Option B is your correct answer. The practice of shear per dew in the Harappan civilization was, what is the shear per dew? Your right answer is wax technique of making bronze statue. Option B is your correct answer. What is the area of Indian land? Your right answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Option C is your correct answer. If the court will find that a person has held a public position that he is not an officer, then he can officially stop him from holding office or office in what legal order in this written? Your right answer is right questions. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following program was launched in India to popularize football? Your right answer is Mission 11 Million. Option A is your correct answer. By 1989, an adult Indian was meant to be a citizen of over dash year. Your right answer is 21. Option C is your correct answer. Lakshmi National Institute of Physical Education is completely founded by the following. Your right answer is Government of India. Option C is your correct answer. Which team won the first men's 2020 Cricket World Cup 2007? Your right answer is India. Option C is your correct answer. Which is used to control nuclear fission reaction? Your right answer is admitting stick. Option C is your correct answer. The Human Development Index was developed by dash. Your right answer is Muhammad Ul Haq. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the first president of the All India Trade Union Congress formed in 1920? Your right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Option B is your correct answer. National Sports Day is celebrated in India. Your right answer is August 29. Option A is your correct answer. The work of embroidery of flower leaf is originally done in which state? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Which component is used to control the flow of electricity without changing the voltage? Your right answer is variable resistance. Option B is your correct answer. Roland Garros Grand Slam tennis tournament is related to which of the following? Your right answer is French Open. Option C is your correct answer. The famous Varaha Lakshmi Narasimha temple is situated on the Singh Chalam hill in Dash. Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. Which paragraph of the Indian Constitution provides for the provision of the independent election commissioner? Your right answer is Article 324. Option A is your correct answer. The Hindustan Antibiotics Limited factory is located in Dash. Your right answer is Pune. Option D is your correct answer. The reduction of depreciation on the capital goods of a country is called the calculation of GDP. Your right answer is net domestic product. Option D is your correct answer. Who started the Young India magazine? Your right answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Option A is your correct answer. What is the refractive index of crown glass? Your right answer is 1.52. Option D is your correct answer. Basically, how many seats were reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha? Your right answer is 41. Option D is your correct answer. Metallic oxide reacting with both acid and base for salt and water production is called. Your right answer is amphoteric oxide. Option A is your correct answer. Which planet is considered to be the twin of Earth? Your right answer is Venus. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following landforms are not produced by the inflammatory water? Your right answer is Barkhan. Option D is your correct answer. Which country is called the unbreakable union of disintegrated state? Your right answer is India. Option A is your correct answer. Which one of the following plant develop as a hard outer cover and gradually becomes converted into seed. Your right answer is ovule. Option A is your correct answer. Collapsing on the Hara's surface are called metal producing metal. Your right answer is resonant. Option B is your correct answer. The bronze statue of Dancing Girl was found in which of the following Indus Valley civilization? Your right answer is Mohenjo-daro. Option C is your correct answer. Which lens is used to remove near sight defect? Your right answer is concave lens. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the type of steroid hormone that is secreted from the adrenal gland? Your right answer is glucocorticoid. Option D is your correct answer. Glucocorticoid. In 1856, which Governor General of India occupied Awadh at the charge of misrule? Your right answer is Dalhousie. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following nutrient is due to lack of cough disease? Your right answer is iodine. Option C is your correct answer. The decline exchange rate which compares the currency of other countries reduce the value of one country currency. Your right answer is depreciation. Option A is your correct answer. On the basis of dash, the health component of human development index is determined. Your right answer is life expectancy at death. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a tertiary sector? Your right answer is textile. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following player was honored with the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 2014? Your right answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the origin of river Indus? Your right answer is Tibet. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following area of the standard meridian line passes through India? Your right answer is Mirzapur. Option A is your correct answer. In what year the Indian National Congress demanded a constituent assembly to create the Constitution of India? Your right answer is 1935. Option D. In 1971 to 72, which country adopted the song Amar Sonar Bangla as its national anthem? Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option D is your correct answer. Which is the only state India has given 69% reservation? Your right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a part of Gondwana land? Your right answer is North America. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the Supreme Court established by the English East India Company in 1773 to 74? Your right answer is Calcutta. Option C is your correct answer. Basically, how many seats were reserved for the scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha? Your right answer is 79. Option A is your correct answer. Which freedom fighter was known as Lokomanyo? Your right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B is your correct answer. This is the last question of today class, question of 50. In which of the following state of India is Dorai? Your right answer is West Bengal. Option A is your correct answer. I hope you like these questions. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.